Come here, you guys. Come on. Come in, sweetie. Come on. You coming, Duke? Come on. Yeah, come on. See who's coming? Come on. Duke. No, he's right there. Oh, yeah. Went to go get the other one, I guess. They're hanging out for some reason together. Bear. You're just following, huh? Where are you going, Duke? Coming over to you. Here he comes. This is, is that a bed there? Here it goes, huh? She's getting back in my bed. Uh-oh. He's looking at that bed. He's looking at the bed. Oh no. Uh-oh.
Yeah, this is coffee.
He just took Bear's bed. I think he's trying to get to you, Ron. He's trying to get to you. Well, you gotta put your hand up a little bit more too. He can get to it. Oh, he wants you to scratch his head. That's what he wants. If you put your hand down there, he'll crawl up on your hand. Uh-oh. There's the other trouble. Oh, there's one in the other room. Hello, you two. Hello. What you two doing? What are you two doing? What are you doing? Okay. Can you get on my phone again? Look at you. You're so cute.